Whoa. What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. Whoa. Gotta get the camera right. Yo, YouTube, it's actually been a while. What's up? Yeah, it's been a minute. I'm working on trying to be consistent with YouTube this year. But in today's video, we got something really great going on. And today I'm going to be kind of introducing you guys to the Metaverse. And not necessarily like, the Metaverse. I mean, the Metaverse is not new. I mean, if you've been studying Mark Zuckerberg, I think that's his name, Facebook, they're trying to build up their own Metaverse or whatever. But the Metaverse is actually not new at all. In fact, I'm actually going to show you guys a Metaverse, one of the original, the OG Metaverses, which is Decentraland. And I've been actually in it, and it's been fun. Now, a couple of things I want to touch on before I actually go into the land and the actual virtual tour of Decentraland. So, the thing about Decentraland is actually a Metaverse that's actually free and anybody can access. The only thing you need is a crypto wallet, or you can access it as a guest without a crypto wallet. And one of my favorite things about Decentraland as a Metaverse is that it's completely decentralized, meaning that nobody has control over it. The only people who have say-so on what goes on in Decentraland happens to be the owners and players of the actual platform, which is something I really like. Gives everybody an open chance to build and develop and do whatever they want to in the Metaverse, in this particular Metaverse. Another thing I do want to touch on is that anything in Decentraland, actually, if you end up buying land, real estate, or building up anything, is actually kind of a form of an NFT, which is really dope. So I'm actually going to show you guys the gameplay. So give me 1 second as I'm on my actual Mac Mini, and this is actually the platform, the actual website. So all you got to do is go to decentraland.org on a traditional web, right? And it's pretty cool. Like, welcome to Decentraland. Explore, trade, first ever virtual by its users. So it's literally owned by its users. And the actual coin in Decentraland that people use to trade, buy properties, actually the crypto coin called Mana. And then the website is pretty informative as far as learning what DAO, or decentralized automation, and just anything having to do with the Metaverse. And then you're able to buy clothing, update your avatar, you're able to buy land, you're able to build in here, you're able to do a lot of stuff. I recommend any of you guys who end up using Decentraland to go ahead and join the Discord, as well as just do your own research, in the builders, the marketplace, all that type of stuff. But I'm going to actually go in here and show you guys. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, so you have two options: either play as a guest or play using your wallet. My wallet's already connected, so I'm using actually one of my crypto wallets. So as you guys see, and I probably should have oh yeah, see, you see that? Mana is Decentraland's currency. Use it to buy land and other premium items, and vote on key policies and pay platform fees. So it's really cool. Welcome to the Genesis Plaza. Wow. So we're back in it, guys, and I just wanted to show you guys the gameplay. You're actually able to talk to people, and it's actually like a real world. Like, it never closes or anything. So make sure you guys actually follow me on Decentraland. I don't even know if you can follow people on here, but I definitely want to link up with anybody. My @ name is actually, let me go to my little platform. Yeah. If you guys want to send me some free crypto, please, go ahead and send it to that wallet address. Oh my God. Oh wow. I'm not sure what happened to my name on here actually was Eli Alexander. I'm actually not sure what happened to my name on here. yeah, my name's actually, so make sure you guys take time out to follow me. My name is Eli Alexander, and then follow me on all my other social media platforms, Eli Alexander. And then, you know, I'll definitely link up with you guys. I'm definitely willing to play with you guys in Decentraland, and even there you go. So my name isn't here, it's officially my name is officially Eli Alexander. And sorry, y'all, I'm actually getting caught up. But basically, when you guys get started and stuff, they're able to literally give you a world tour on it. They'll teach you how to use it, this, that, and the third. So actually, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to jump into another platform on here. So check this out. Check. And you're able to play this on the PC or whatever platform that you do have, and you're also able to buy NFTs and this, that, and the third. So it's really cool. It's really dope. It's something that I really enjoy. And as you guys, like, everything that you guys see in here is literally owned by somebody. So this is like an actual world to where people, this is the actual world where people actually build things out and own things. In the world, it keeps going. So even once you take a break or anything like that, it never stops. It just keeps going, which is really dope. And it's something that I just personally like about the Metaverse. But yeah, so I definitely recommend you guys definitely check out Decentraland. It's really dope. Feel free to link up with me in here, you know, DM me on Instagram or whatever platform, Twitter, whatever, and, you know, let's link up in Decentraland. I will be getting the Oculus very soon. So I actually plan on getting my Oculus next week. And once I do that, I'm gonna be able to link with you guys on the Oculus Quest 2 or whatever with you guys too in the Metaverse. So y'all definitely subscribe to the channel, like the video. I hope you guys like it. Excuse the mess in the background. I'm kind of redoing my office, this, that, and the third. And for anybody in the Pensacola area, I do real estate. So, you know, if you guys need any real estate, physical real estate in Florida at all, I can definitely be your top tier real estate agent. Feel free to go on any of my social media pages, see my reviews, see if I've done very well with various of my clients at 22 years old. I just turned 22 2 days ago. So life has been really great. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.